What you're about to hear is Dr. Kris Hansen on my radio show, Devana's Healthy Talk, discussing Pogamoonga. I'm sure you will learn just as much as I did. Welcome. This is Devana from Devana's Healthy Talk. We're here to discuss the health benefits of a remarkable and very unique product called Pogamoonga. I'm here with Dr. Kris Hansen. He's a doctor of chiropractics, owns a longevity center, author, professor of science, nutrition specialist, lecturer, and radio personality. Welcome, Dr. Hansen.
Thank you, Devana. It's great to be here talking about such an incredible product as Pogamoonga.
Tell me this, Dr. Hansen. What makes Pogamoonga so different from all the other products that are out there?
Well, one of the basic unique things about the Pogamoonga product is that it only has 4 natural ingredients in it. So many of the products out on the market have 10, 20, sometimes even 30 or more ingredients in them. And each of those ingredients in and of itself perhaps have some fine qualities for the human body. But in the small quantities that we are recommended that we take of those particular products, there is some question. In fact, there's a large question as to how much effect do each of those ingredients have. Are we actually getting enough of each of those ingredients? One of the things I love about the Pogamoonga product is that it only has 3 major ingredients in it, and each of those major ingredients do some amazing and incredible things for the human body. The 3 ingredients are pomegranate extract, aloe vera, and an amazing tree that grows in the temperate regions of India and Africa called the moringa tree.
Okay, now the first ingredient that we're going to talk about today is pomegranate. Tell us a little bit about what that does in the body.
Besides being a wonderful antioxidant, pomegranate has been shown in scientific studies to be capable of raising the nitric oxide levels in the blood. Nitric oxide is a molecule that is produced by the epithelial cells in the circulatory system or in the arteries. When our levels of nitric oxide are running high, which they are when we are younger, that keeps plaque from forming on the blood vessels. If plaque has already formed on the blood vessels, then what nitric oxide does then is it acts as a chelator. In other words, it helps soften that plaque and helps remove that plaque from the arterial walls, thus reducing our risk of heart attack and stroke. So our goal then would be to keep the nitric oxide levels high. And that's one of the key things that the pomegranate juice has been known to do in scientific studies.
So in other words, it's going to help your arteries. It's a heart-healthy product.
It's a very heart-healthy product. Another area of concern for all of us is a disease process called Alzheimer's or any kind of dementia, or in other words, loss of memory. That has been linked recently to something called amyloid proteins or amyloid plaquing that occurs in the brain. Nitric oxide has been shown to be very effective in dissolving the amyloid plaques that may form in the brain, causing such dementia or loss of memory.
Okay, and I've heard that pomegranate juice is really helpful as far as the prostate is concerned.
That's true. Pomegranate juice has another molecule in it called ellagic acid. Ellagic acid has been shown in scientific studies to have the capability of inhibiting all types of microbe growth. I'm talking about funguses and bacteria and viruses. It has also been shown in scientific studies to have the capability of killing cancer cells within a 48-hour period. Particularly, it has shown great promise in killing cancer cells that exist in the prostate.
Okay.